you just give your dog this pill and there will be no ticks or fleas for the next 3 months. What is in that pill? Do you stop to think? My name is Chintana Gopinath. I'm the founder of a little company called Back in the Day. We primarily make products for skincare in dogs, and our products can be used by humans as well. But the focus is to provide a chemical-free, natural solution for dogs. Our products work against ticks and fleas to manage skin infections, fur fall, and just to keep the skin of dogs healthy without the use of chemicals. So that's what my company does. In 2013, we adopted a beagle called Sasha, who was released from a research testing lab, and she was tested on for drug toxicity. So it means that for the first 4 years of her life, she was pumped with all sorts of chemicals, and I didn't want to continue to kind of keep bombarding her system with toxic crap, and I wanted her to have a very natural approach to her life so that she could live healthy and live longer. So that thought process was always there. So Back in the Day evolved very organically and naturally, and it has been growing the same way over the last 2 years as well. I've always been on the lookout for a more holistic approach to taking care of my dogs, and we live between Bandipur and Bangalore. So every time the dogs went to Bandipur, they would end up picking up a lot of ticks because we are by the shrub forest over there, and the use of any chemical treatment just made me very uncomfortable. The smell of it was just loaded with toxic crap. So I was looking for a natural anti-tick solution, and that is how I stumbled upon our first hero product called Scooby Dub Dub. So that's how we began, and the other products grew out of a need that I had while I was taking care of my own dogs. So the products are first tested on my dogs, then my immediate friend circle kind of test them, and they always give me honest to goodness feedback. So ease of use is very important because, when you're not dealing with just 1 or 2 dogs. When you're dealing with a large number of dogs, you want it to be easy to use. You want it to be effective. You want it to be efficient. So they've always given me honest feedback, and they continue to be my biggest supporters even now. So they are, I think, the bedrock on which the company has grown, that's for sure. When people come to us Back in the Day asking for help with their dog, the products are the tip of the iceberg. And I always tell them, work with a nutritionist, set their food bowls right. That's 90% of your battle won. Consider homeopathy. Get rid of all the chemicals in your environment with your cleaning solutions, with your floor cleaners. Your dogs spend most of the time on the floor. You don't want those chemicals entering their skin, their paws, causing skin issues. And they're like, oh, I never thought about it that way. Oh, I never thought about it that way. So a lot of times it's just a paradigm shift. It's just, showing them a different way of thinking about things that makes a big difference. I work with dogs, I live with dogs, and they are guileless, they are honest, they are in the moment, they don't know how to cheat people. So I like to imbibe those qualities myself, because that hopefully will allow me to live the way they do, which is in the moment and completely at peace with whatever is going on. There are a lot of welfare workers that I associate the products with, a lot of rescuers who find dogs with really bad skin conditions on the street, who are itching incessantly, who've been burnt, whatever the case may be. And when the products give these dogs, relief, I feel like, it's absolutely soul fulfilling. And yes, I mean, I use the products as much as my dogs use the product, and it just is a kind of a oneness. There's no man and dog. I think it should be like this little circle where we are all treated at par with each other. So I think that's what the products do try to achieve.